Hello everyone. In some cases, you may have to start Burp Suite from the command line. So if you're working on a complex application and if you're doing a lot of automated scanning, you may want to start the application from the command line. So let me do a dir on the burp file to find the location. So it's in the desktop. So you can just do a java -jar. That's the option for starting any Java app, and you can give the option capital XMX, and I'm allocating 1 gig of memory for this one. And you can just type B and tab couple of times and then press enter. So you're getting an error. I think I got one of the options wrong. So you just have to put minus in front of XMX. So now Burp should launch with 1 gig of RAM, and that's pretty good for plenty of applications.